subjective questions today. Okay? So everybody has to stay till the end, because till the end we are going to discuss all the questions that can probably come in your exams. Okay. So first of all, guys, I want to ask you something. Do you remember that our Earth is moving around something which we call as sun, right? And Earth not just moves around the sun, it also spins. The spinning of the Earth is basically called rotation. So Earth spins on its axis. Okay, we call this thing as rotation. And students, I want to ask you guys: is the axis a real line or an imaginary line? बताइए जल्दी से. This axis is a real line or an imaginary line? Imaginary. Very good. Very good. Shabash. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छे. So this is called your rotation, where the Earth moves around its axis. All right, that you can see over here. So Earth spinning on its axis is basically called rotation. And this is simply one thing about the rotation. Now, can we define a little more what rotation is? So yes, definitely we can define it a little more as well. And we can divide the Earth into two poles, north and the south. So north, you can always imagine that it is always at the top of it, south always at the bottom, like this. And the north and south basically passes through an imaginary line, which we call as the axis of the Earth. So till this part, if everything is clear, guys, drop 7 in the chat. Jaldi se. Shabash, everyone. Very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. So yaad rakhna bachcho. Remember, rotation means axis. All right. Axis. This is what you call as axis. Around this, the Earth rotates, like when you see a fan or anything like that. A wheel, it rotates around the axis. Okay. So one more thing is there, bacho. One more thing, but it's very important. Okay. That because of this Earth's rotation, okay, because of this Earth's rotation, what happens is that we see that the sun is moving from the east to the west. Earth की rotation की वजह से हमें ऐसा लगता है, we feel that the sun is actually moving from the east to the west. But in short, it's quite the opposite. In short, क्या हो रहा है? In short, the opposite is happening. In short, the Earth is actually moving from the west to the east, and that's why sun looks like that it is moving from east to the west. Okay, so guys, what is the fake statement? फिर से देख लो बच्चों, very important. What is the fake statement? Fake statement is that the sun moves from east to west. All right, this is absolutely a fake statement. Okay, then what is real, sir? What is real? So real is that the Earth rotates from west to east. That's why the sun looks like it is moving from, east to west. Ye clear hai bachcho? Is it clear as well? Okay. Ready for a quick question, bachcho? Ready for a quick question? Okay, let's go. Upside down? Arey nahi bachche, not upside down. Okay. So here we go. One full rotation of the Earth takes about. So bachcho, this is your Earth. This is your Earth, guys. This is your Earth. And one full rotation, one complete rotation will take about 24 hours, 1 hour, 7 days, 1 month. Very easy peasy, lemon squeezy. After that, we have a subjective question that we're going to discuss. So let's go, guys. Give the answer. Achha, one more thing, students. My strategy for doing the subjective question is that I will show you the subjective question first, and then I will invite 1 or 2 people over the mic. Okay, I can choose anybody. That's completely random. That's my choice. And you all have to tell me, okay, if the other person, if you are satisfied with their answer, if you think that they are correct. All right. In that way, we will be having a complete idea that what are the missing points, what are the common mistakes that the students really do. Okay. So quickly give your answers, because let's discuss our first subjective question. Very important. And superb response, bacho. I don't have to say it, you know it, that your response is absolutely great. Okay, so let's move towards our subjective question. The correct answer is 24 hours. Now, guys, let's come to the subjective question, and a very common question that comes for 2 marks is over here. ये question आता है 2 marks में अक्सर आता है. It's quite common. So the question is that how day and night occur on the earth due to its rotation. Okay, that is the question. So students, what is your answer for the same? Who is going to answer me? Who is going to answer me, guys? Tell me. Okay, chalo. I will invite 1 or 2 people over the mic so I can actually hear. Okay, what is your response? Mukta. For 2 marks.
Tilt in the angle because the day and night is occurred.
So because of Earth's tilt, you think that day and night occurs. Okay.
Yes.
Let me listen to some other students as well. Mm,
Yes, sir.
Lishan.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, Lishan. Yes. Very good evening, Lishan. What
Sir,
about you?
I think day and night occurs due to rotation because of sun. Because of rotation, on one part, on half of the earth, the sun's reflection is there, but on the other half, reflection can't reach. Because of that, the other part has a shadow and night occurs.
Okay, okay. Very good. Okay, let me hear from one more student. Shravya. Shravya, yes. What's your answer for the same, bache?
So the Earth's rotation is caused due to the rotation around its axis.
Rotation around its axis. Okay. So, what do you think, students? What do you think? If you are going to write the answer like this, do you think that this is going to be the correct way? ये correct way होगा क्या बच्चों? बताइए. No or yes? See, guys, if the question comes for 1 marks, you can simply write the answer like that because of its Earth's rotation. You can simply write it. So all the students give the correct answer, but the problem is that the question is coming for 2 marks. So 2 marks के लिए कैसे करें? So see, what commonly happens is that many students write like this. So this is the wrong approach, guys. देखो पहले. Day and night occur because the earth moves around the sun and different parts of the earth receive sunlight at different times during this movement. So students, this answer looks fine, but we can't say that this is very structured. Structure nahi hai isme, right? There is no structure. For that, guys, we have to write the answers in an effective manner. So remember,